Pancho. Very textbook siya in terms of how he defends, how he boxes out. That's Andy, beautiful move right there. And the pull-up from the free throw line. Off the market, Andy up high for the rebound. Hemao, trying to dribble through the defense. Good find to Rimo. Swings it to Moore. Back to Hemao. Basti switched up to him. Good pass to Dimaano. Him like glue, grabe.
Laterals ni Alden Vergara, ha? Parang yung tatay niya, si Coach Alden.
Till this kid is ready to go to college na saan siya kaya pupunta, di ba? Tutuloy ba sa yapang ng tatay niya? Whoa! The Andy Smith. Saan siya kaya pupunta, di ba? Tutuloy ba sa yapang ng tatay niya? Whoa!
Vision niya talaga, parang tatay niya.
Oh. As Andy on the run. Flips it up and in over Espinosa. Then lagi kontrabida. So, isip mo, direct naman, huwag kang mag-alala. Isip mo kung mas better nickname. As Andy. Talagang isa lang Coach Pancho. It's almost for Diamante with his family as came out in transition. Against Miyako. On 7 dito. Came out against Competente, former Gilas teammate. Andy puts it up and in. Wow! As Gilas teammates. Andy puts it up and in. And I'm surprised dun, Coach Pancho, ha? Mismatch lagi pag nandun sa middle, di ba? Big ang may hawak ng bola sa kanila, tapos small lang bumabantay. As Andy.
Doon sila umatake. Andy Hemao.
On to Valencia. Dwayne now tries for Andy. And Andy takes him all the way to the cup. That quick Pancho, very textbook siya in terms of how he defends, how he boxes out. That's Andy, beautiful move right there. Kala ko ilulu. Defends, how he boxes out. That's Andy, beautiful move right there.
Till now, actually. Even though nagkaroon ng run dito, yung Project Floating Saints na display.
Andy!
Not yet done.
Knocked it down.
Not yet done.
Yeah.